How to use Kissflow. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. So are you looking to streamline and optimize your business workflows? If so, you're in for a treat. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the essentials of using Kissflow, whether you're completely new to workflow automation or searching for ways to enhance your current processes. This guide is designed just for you. So get ready to transform how your business operates with Kissflow. So first of all, you get to log into Kissflow. So to do that, go to any of the search engine and search for Kissflow, press enter, and this is the website that you need, that is kissflow.com. So once you've opened that, you'll be able to see something like this. So this is the only enterprise low-code platform built for multiple personas. So if you wish to start that, you can simply click on Get Started, or you can also talk to Architect. And you can see that there are IT leaders who use this website, developers use this, process owners, and business users. So this website is, trusted by leading brands around the world. So there's all of these right here. So, you can be recognized as a strong performer in Forrester Wave. So you can simply read the report and get started. So just click on Get Started. And once you do so, you will be redirected to the sign up page. So what you're going to do is simply type down your name, and you did type down your business email. So note that you really need to type down your business email. So if you're not having business email, you wouldn't really be able to create an account on Kissflow. And then you're going to type down your phone number and click on Get Started. You will receive a verification code on either email or phone number. Simply type the verification code down over here and you're good to go. After that, let's talk about the pricing structure. So the pricing for Kissflow is really reasonable. So here you can see that the basic plan is $1,500 per month, and it includes 50 users. So if you're looking at it from the perspective of 50 users, it's a reasonable price. So the basic price includes some limited features such as simple use cases, internal users. You wouldn't be able to contact with external users and private clusters. And then we have the enterprise level pricing that includes complete use cases, internal users, external users, private cluster. And the pricing is flexible. So you can just, make it custom pricing. And to do that, obviously, you need to create an account on Kissflow. Now, after that, let's talk about some features of Kissflow. First, let's talk about the Kissflow AI. So Kissflow has its own AI, and you can, double down on speed and simplicity. So you can use Kissflow AI for, the quick automation of all of your requirements and everything. And after that, we have over here that is App Builder. So App Builder in Kissflow helps you to, wrap speed enterprise. And here you can simply click on Get Started, and you can transform how you build custom apps in weeks and not months. So it really automates your workflow, make it easier for you to develop anything you want. So there are some, builds fully functional apps faster than ever. There is no code user interface, data management, logic automation, access permissions, and analytics. So the app can make app creation accessible and simple to everyone. All of the people within your group can able to view it. So you can build your app in 3 easy steps. First is you can build, test, and deploy. So you can enjoy enterprise level features to build custom apps on a unified console without any coding. And in step 2, we have lightning changes. You can quickly incorporate feedback, make bug fixes, and refine your app's design in a few clicks. And then we have step 3 that has built collaboratively. We can bring process experts, analytics, and programmers together on a safe and secure platform. And that's it. Your app would be built. And this is really easy and very easy to do. And after that, we have Process Builder after App Builder. So let's see what's in Process Builder and what does it offer. So automating processes has never been this satisfying, and you can see that there is powerful intelligence right where you need it, because this app is using AI built-in tools, and you can start from Builder. You can design your workflow, and you can have dynamic assignments, SLAs, conditional logic. So you can just use that all to automate and completely automate your development process. And you can experience their process builder. Just click on right now. And over here, you can see that there is employee onboarding. So if you have an account on Kissflow, you'll be able to see something like this. So you can fully automate it from, this is a form. It includes the initiated date. It has the designation and all other things. So you can just automate it and, redesign it according to your own company. And after that, we have Form Builder. So it includes powerful forms made easy, and it is more than just a front-end data collection system. It includes process automation, it includes custom views, comprehensive reports, seamless integration, and mobile forms. So you can have a look at this over here and you can check how you can use it. You can play this video in order to view it. And you can build apps with Fusion teams such as IT leaders, developers, process owners, business owners, just like I told you before. And after that, we have decision tables. So the power of precision in every decision, you can design, manage, and optimize complex decision logic. And here you can see that you can decide smart and achieve big. So this is basically a view how you can do it. You can simply create more conditions, results, you can publish them. So you can see that this is fully automated by your. And then we have capabilities of decision tables. There is dynamic rule evolution, unified conditions and actions, reusable logic, decision prioritization, data enforcement. And here you can see that the building apps with Fusion teams are such as these. So you can take a look. And after that, we have workflow orchestration. So if you're frustrated by disconnected workflows, you can use Kissflow for, get rid of that. So they have the soiled workflows lead to delays as team works in isolation without knowing the exact process. So these are some reasons that slow down your team. So because of lack of visibility, which is difficult to get a clear overview, hindering effective monitoring and decision making. And then we have duplicate efforts that multiple teams may unknowingly repeat the same tasks due to poor communication integration. So what basically happens is that if you have 50 people in your group and all of them use Kissflow, there be within the organization cloud of Kissflow, and after that they'll be able to see that which person is working on which module and all things like that. That makes them easier to know that what other person is doing and what I need to do and what thing is done, and we don't need to repeat that. And after that, we have integrations. So there are various integrations that you can use in Kissflow. You can totally customize it. You can, book a demo in order to check this, like if you really liked this platform. So you can just create an account on it. And then we have governance. And after that, we have external portals. So you can just take a look at those. And then we have boards, human resources. These are some templates over here. So there's human resources, procurement, finance, admin, and ops. So let's just take a look at finance one. And you can, have some finance templates over here. So there is employee expense claim, advance payment, purchase requests, purchase order, travel requests. So these are basic finance templates that a person does need if they are willing to, create an automation development for finance projects. Then we have marketing budgets, account payable. So almost all of the templates and according to almost all of the businesses can be found over here. So you can take a look at that. And then we have, you can explore all other templates. And in solutions, we have by initiative, by industry, and by persona. So you can just take a look according to your topic of expertise. So yeah, that is basically how you can use Kissflow. So if you need to create an account in Kissflow, simply click on Get Started and write down your industry email. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.